Okay guys, welcome back to our tutorial. This is Lucky from Web System Network. In today's video we are going to be talking actually about module. Well, what is a module? Well, a module is a group of statements that exist within a program for the purpose of performing a specific task or task. Right, let's use that word, task. A module is a group of statements that exist within a program for the purpose of performing a specific task. That is the function, or that is the definition of a module. Now, well, why do we need module? Why modular key? Why do we need it? Well, a module is good because it makes our code simpler. A program becomes simpler and easier to understand when it is what modularized. And point number two, because of module, when we use module in our program, we can use our code again and again. Code reuse. Yeah, let me use that word. It reduces the duplication of code within a program. For instance, printing a menu to allow users to select an option. Well, you don't understand that? Let me give you an example. Let's say you are designing a program that allows the user to enter to select a menu. Press 1 to delete, press 2 to edit, press 3 to maybe to add, and then you press 1 to add. After he has added, we don't want the program to quit. We want to display the menu again immediately so that the user can decide what to do again, whether you want to edit the item that he has added, or you just want to quit. So we'll display it again. We display it over and over up until the user decide to quit the program. That is where it becomes what that is where module comes in handy. It reduces the duplication of code within a program, and then it's better testing. Well, when a program is modularized, when a task is modularized, programmers can test and see which part is causing a program, or is causing an error. Now, if we modularize our program, we can easily tell that, oh well, program every other module is working, but it seems like displaying this module that display a date, it does not really work nicely. So I think this is where the error is. Instead of what long list of statement that we have already written, and we are unable to debug the issue. And point number 4, faster development. Modules make it easier for developers to work in a team. Now, what does that mean? If we are a team, I can go and write a program that will display a menu on the screen. You can write a program that will allow a user to add an item. You can also give another team can go and write a program that will allow user to edit an item. Another team will be given to go and write a program that will allow user to do what? To delete an item. And another team will go and write a program that will allow user to exit a program. Wasn't that beautiful? It means that all the work doesn't have to be done by one programmer. It can be shared. Faster development. And it's so cool when a program is marginalized or modularized. Now, the difference, understanding the difference between a module and writing a whole long list of code is very, very important. It's really, really important. Now, this is the difference. This is a one long sequence of program. Let's see how this, see how that, do this. It's on a one long sequence of program. And then when it's marginalized, did you see? Just like I said previously, another programmer can take this module over here to go and write for adding item. This one is another programmer writing a module to add an item, to delete an item, and this is another programmer writing a module to go and what quit a program. Now you see, it becomes very easier to work in a team when a program is modularized. Now this is an exercise I got, and we're going to be doing it, I think, in our next video, because whoa, this is gonna be so fun. Anyway, professional appliances or appliance service offers maintenance and repair service for household appliances. Well, that is an exercise, by the way. The owner wants to give each of the company's service technicians, right, a small handheld computer that displays step-by-step instruction for many of the repair that they might perform. Now, to see how this um might, okay, I think there's a mistake here, I'm sorry for that. To see how this might work, the owner has asked you to develop a program that displays the following instruction. Where is it? Step 1, unplug the dryer and move it away from the wall. Step 2, remove the 6 screws from the back of the dryer. Step 3, remove the dryer back panel. And step 4, pull the top of the dryer straight up. That is the step that needs to be followed. During your interview with the owner, you determine that the program should display the steps one at a time. You decided as a programmer that after each step is displayed, the user should be asked to press a key to display the next instruction. Now, how do we modularize this work with our code? Well, let's see the practical. Because of time, I'm not going to be able to do it in this video, but note down, please remind me or leave a comment below, because I'm going to be posting it in our next video regarding this exercise that we're given, so that we can be able to solve it and see how modules really comes into handy. It's gonna be fun, guys.